morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friend. My name is Sarabjit Kaur from class 5. Now I am going to recite a poem, The Song by the Way by Francisco Icaza. A solitary pilgrim I, through foreign lands I stray, yet I am not alone. My song goes with me all the way, and if the nights around be black, I make it bright as day. I sing, and then the song lights up the darkness of the way. I do not sigh for weariness, however far I stray. The heavenly stuff of song makes brief the distance of the way. Ah, sad indeed that pilgrim's lot, who goes alone all day, nor has for comrade of his march a song along the way. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Sonam Vishwakarma from class 5. Now I am going to recite the poem Wise by Ellen Fisher. Whoever planned the world was wise to think of land and seas and skies. Who planned the sun and moon that would be made to run the way they should? But how did he have time for all the things we see that are so small, like flowers in parks and flakes of snow, and little sparks the fireflies serve? Thank you.
From class 2. Aslanadi, please come on the stage. Clap for Aslanadi. Please maintain silence, everyone.
Good morning, respected principal.
Wait.
My name is Aslan Ali from class 2. Recite a poem. The little plant. In the heart of a seed buried deep, so deep, a dear little plant lay fast asleep. Wakes at the sunshine and creep to the light. Wakes at the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant had, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Nandini Kumari from class 5, and I am going to recite a poem, How Beautiful is the Rain by S.W. Longfellow. How beautiful is the rain after a dust and heat. In the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roof like the trump of hoops. How it gushes and struggles out from the dropped of overflowing spout. Across the window pane, it pours and swipes and wipes with a muddy tide. Like a river down the gutter lures the rain, the welcome rain. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Rani Kumari from class 5. Today I am going to recite a poem, The Song by the Way by Francisco Icaza. A solitary pilgrim I, from foreign lands I stray, yet I am not alone. My song goes with me all the way. And if the night around be black, I make it bright as day. I sing, and then the song lights up the darkness of the way. I do not sigh for weariness, however far I stray. The heavenly staff of song makes deep the distance of the way. Ah, sad indeed that pilgrim's lot, who goes along the day, nor has for comrade of his march a song along the way. Thank you, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Rashi Kumari from class 4. Today I am going to recite the poem Once I Saw a Little Bird by Walter Gray. Once I saw a little bird coming hop, hop, hop. So I cried out, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to how are you? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Thank you.
My name is Sidi Machine. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa, yes, Papa, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa, no, Papa, no, Papa.
from class nursery. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Thank you. Good morning, all. My name is Kiritika Kumari from nursery. Ran, ran, go, van, go, come and again, another day. Little Johnny has to plan, ran, ran, go, van. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candle stick, 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 the candle stick. Thank you.
Not when the sun is beating down. It is already the month of November. It is not very hot. It is quite a pleasant time, pleasant day. So it's a good time for all of you to learn something, and those who have not been selected this time, try to improve your skills, try to improve your talent, try to improve your communication skills, and then next time try more hard. Because I see that last year also the number of students and the name of the students are almost the same that are speaking in this year's competition also. There are hardly any changes. There are only few changes. Otherwise, the students are the same. Why they are the same all the time? Why can't you all speak? Why always they will speak? They are just taking the opportunity. They are encashing the opportunity. They are taking the opportunity with both the hands. They are improving their skills, but you are not. Recognizes their skills, their talent, and there are some children who don't recognize their skills and talent because they are very much busy or very much they are accustomed to irrelevant things, talking about and gossiping about other things, other topics, which is not good for your future growth. So this is a healthy competition. It's a debate competition, and this has been divided into two groups. The first group comprises of standard 6 and standard 7. So they have got a particular topic. So standard 6 will say for the topic and standard 7 will say against the topic. Similarly, we have got another group, the senior group of class 8 and 9. And the selected students of standard 8 and 9 will again perform will come on the stage and they will give their valid points on the topic for which they are speaking for and against.